Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. I am so super stoked about today's video because not only am I going to be sharing with you guys how to set up a fall movie night step by step, but I'm also going to be giving you guys some tips on how to build a backdrop using items from behind, in and around your home. Also, we're going to be rearranging some patio furniture. We're going to be redecorating for fall. We're going to do a little cleaning and a lot of other things that I feel like would just bring you so much joy. Speaking of joy, I am overjoyed to be teaming up with my girl Carrie over at the YouTube channel Very Carrie. She and I were talking about, the type of things we've been doing in and around our homes to entertain ourselves, our spouses, during the quarantine. And so she's going to be sharing with you guys how to host a romantic date night, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to do a movie night. Now, this is definitely something you can do with your spouse or your significant other, but I just wanted to share with you guys something easy and affordable that you could do with the kids. So sit back and relax. I promise you that this video is going to give you all of the fall vibes. Don't forget to head over to Carrie's channel. I will link it down in the description box below. I know that you guys are going to be in for a treat because she is definitely the queen of entertaining. So without any further delay, we're going to hop into the decorating portion of this video. Okay, so now that the furniture has been rearranged and the floors have been swept, I'm going to switch out our existing patio pillows for something a little bit more festive and fun for the kids. I picked these up at Target this year at the 90% off sale, and I also have some gold ones that I'm going to add in that I'm going to repurpose from my niece's 5th birthday party. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link that as well. And I got those pillow covers from Hobby Lobby. Once I finish placing the pillows, I'm going to get started with decorating. So the first thing we're going to start with is the backdrop. And I definitely know that you guys have probably seen this, and I want to show you guys how to fix it. Okay, let me share with you guys a little MacGyver maneuver. Have you ever ordered one of these? They're kind of like they're not the super expensive backdrop stands, but it's hard for them to stand up. Like you take them up and then you screw them in as tight as they'll go. They still fall. Let me give you a trick. You take it up as high as you need it to go, okay? And then you bring down a zip tie like such, and then it'll stay. Voila! But make sure you just turn the zip tie to the back so it's not seen. It won't show, and then when you put your backdrop on it, you won't have any issues. Okie dokie. There you go. So if you guys have been experiencing the issues with the stripping pole on the tripod, you now know how to fix it. Don't toss it. So for the backdrop, you can use any type of fabric you had. I had this sequin gold fabric on hand, but you can definitely use sheets or throws or a tablecloth, whatever you have in or around your home. Feel free to use it. I used for the tablecloth this sequin black tablecloth that I already had. If you guys are interested in these items, I will link them down below. Now, when it came to the movie night sign, I was really torn as to whether or not I wanted to go with this banner or an actual marquee. I ultimately decided that the banner was definitely more cost effective, so and easier to store. It was $4.99, and I also used my 40% off coupon, so it was definitely really the cheapest way to go. I wanted to do a balloon banner above my movie night sign banner. So I wanted to do this, organic balloon garland. So I decided to go ahead and do that to add some color, because the gold against the gold wasn't really popping out like I wanted it to pop out. So I did pick up some balloons while I was at Hobby Lobby. I have a full tutorial on how to do this. I teamed up with iHeart Planners, and I am one of their speakers this year. I'm so honored to do it. The name of the summit, it's a virtual summit, and it's called Get Organized, and I absolutely love all of the different classes that they're offering. And what I'm going to be teaching on is how to plan an Insta-worthy birthday bash in a quarantine. So I'm going to be giving you guys step by step. I'll tell you guys more about it later. And if you go ahead and sign up, it is absolutely free. And you can also purchase the class to go back and watch it as long as you want, as much as you want. And I will include all of that information down in the description box below. So once I used my fishing wire to create the balloon garland, I went ahead and attached it on both sides right above the movie night sign. And with the additional balloons, I just decided to blow them up and throw them all around the floor, because I knew that it would make the area look a little bit more festive and the kids would definitely enjoy it. So once I was completely done with that, I went ahead and set the table just using some white dishes that I already had. You probably remember these from my Thanksgiving buffet a few years ago. And the Showtime movie boxes, I got those at Hobby Lobby. The popcorn that was in the popcorn boxes, actually got them from Walmart. They were cheaper than a Dollar Tree. They were just $1 each. And I also got like all of the movie theater box candy. I got all of that from the Dollar Tree. So the entire movie night for 5 kids actually cost me less than $40. And I just feel like it's definitely something that you could do in and around your home with your family. It turned out absolutely amazing. Setting up the table was super easy. I do have some tutorials on how to set up a buffet or how to set up a dessert table, but there was really not much to this. Just adding all of the different candies and the movie night boxes that I got from Hobby Lobby really added to the mood. I did make the little setup a little lower than the TV because I wanted the kids to be able to see it, and then we still watch the movie because we now have a TV on our patio. And so with that being said, I'm just going to give you guys a final tour of the space, and I will give you guys a little bit more information towards the end of the video, so be sure to stay tuned.
supposed to be 2 meters apiece.
Yeah, Daddy. So in the words of the kiddos, everything turned out amazing. And if you want to learn how to decorate an amazing event from start to finish, beginning to end, top to bottom, left to right, you definitely have to join me on September 15th at 11 o'clock a.m. for the Get Organized HQ Summit. And it is a virtual summit. The class is absolutely free. I also, for those who want to get an all access pass, I have a 14-page planner that I have put together for you that goes through every single step of planning an event. If you are interested in event planning or you just want to do something nice for your children in and around your home, this is definitely a tool that you want to test out. I know that you guys probably remember this birthday party that I did for my niece's 5th birthday party. It was a boho chic princess picnic. I'm going to show you guys the behind the scene on this, how I put this together step by step, and a full balloon tutorial on how to put together a balloon garland. So you don't want to miss it. I will leave the link down in the description box below, you guys, but I promise you it is well worth it. Now, I also have another look that I created, a bonus look that will also be included in the summit, and you will get to see how I put this together step by step. I'm leaving absolutely nothing out. So again, grab that all access pass. I will leave that link down below. I know that the classes can be assessed at any time, although I will be live on September 15th at 11 a.m. You can get like early access or you can watch it later, but I'll leave all that information down below. So don't forget to go out and check out Very Carrie's channel. I will leave her link down below along with all the other links that I promised you guys. I know, link, but yeah, check out the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching and all of your continuous and unwavering support. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Hugs and kisses. Bye-bye.